Welcome, today in front of me iPad Pro 4th generation, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here, if you want to reduce loud sounds, you should click to the section and tap on the switcher to activate to reduce loud sounds feature. Here you can change the level of the decibels if you want. So let's go back. We can see here ring and alert volume panel. Just to change it, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side of this white dot. To change it with the volume buttons, we should use this switcher. Here we can change ringtone, text, mail, calendar, and reminders, alert the sounds. So also we have here create word clicks and lock and unlock sound switchers. So just to use, we should turn on or turn on the switchers here. And that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our iPad Pro 1st generation. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.